Today is Assam Legislative Assembly election day, so I'll be riding to my village, my home, to cast my vote. Normally, these streets are filled with cars, bikes, and e rickshaws, but today it's completely empty. No buses, no autos. काश ऐसे ही खाली रहता रोड हमेशा, मज़ा आ जाता. पूरा सिटी खाली है भाई. एवरीवन हैज़ गॉन टू देयर होम, देयर विलेज, देयर होम टाउन. चलो भाई. See, my mom is scared that I'll be racing with this bike. This is a classic 350. I can't race. Everyone is overtaking me. See, even a scooty is overtaking me. Weather is actually pleasant right now. It was raining in the morning, but right now it's pleasant. So that's why ये साइड नहीं दे रहा है. I don't want to cross the white lines and I don't want to overtake from the left, but these people are leaving me no choice. I forgot my train of thought. Forgot बोलते हैं कि lost बोलते हैं. I think यहाँ पे कुछ झगड़ा हो रहा है. वोट दो भाई, वोट दे के निकलो, क्या झगड़ा वगड़ा करने रहना. Pretty stupid. There are flyovers everywhere. This is the newly constructed flyover. I think I haven't been on this one. Now we are going to reach the new flyover. Sorry, not flyover. It's a bridge on Brahmaputra. Oh, Audi Shoddy. Doctor का logo है. Doctor Sahab is going on a stroll, on a ride. See, I don't understand this thing. Why are people stopping on the bridge and taking photos as if it's a picnic spot? It's a bridge. What is there to see? Just चलो भाई, निकलो bridge से. What's the point of stopping here and like hanging out? People are hanging out here. चिप्स खा के, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी के फेंक देते, गंदा कर रहे ब्रिज को. I think they are going to build another flyover over here. That's why this looks unfinished. Yep, another flyover. We're going to take a left from here. I want to go with the highway, so I'm taking a left here, and this is near the IIT Guwahati. Dr. Babu. That's the IIT Guwahati building in the front. Here on the left, it's the IIT Guwahati, and if you take a right, you'll reach the highway. कौन सो रहा गया? Why are they taking the turn from there? रूल्स खाली हम लोग के लिए एप्लीकेबल है आई गेस. खैर अपने को क्या. We wanted to have some tea here, but this place is closed today because of election. I think there's no staff. That bhaiya standing there in his gamcha, he told us that it will be closed and told us to leave. So we are leaving. अरे कहाँ घुसा दिया मैंने. क्या यार, I'm already inside the white lines. और कितना अंदर जाऊँ? Where is he going? उधर से जाओ ना रोड से. Yeah. And this is a road where we pay tolls, by the way. You can clearly see the potholes. I don't know what we are paying tolls for. Thankfully, you don't have to pay tolls for bikes. Side से निकल लो. Can you see the potholes? यही हाल है भाई. Whether you pay tolls or not pay tolls, roads will never improve. If you go straight on the flyover, then you'll reach Nalbari, but you'll have to take a right from here. Chalo. Now this is a national highway, by the way, only 2 lanes, and it's quite dangerous nowadays because there are a lot many cars than before, and all the trucks come on this road because there are no toll gates. So we have heard that government is thinking about making this a 4 lane and putting some toll gates here. वैसे ये बचपन से सुन ही रहा हूँ, ये ब्रिज भी कभी ना कभी टूट ही जाएगा. हालत देखो. It's already around 2:30. थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया था, बैठे बैठे दर्द हो रहा था. Just took a 1-minute break and we'll have to reach quickly. Finally reached before 5 p.m. and casted my vote. Did you?